From major market trends to local updates, this is the financial news you can trust. Brought to you by CIBfx.
Good morning and thank you for joining us for today's Daily Market Outlook. Let's hear from our trading room to find out more about the recent developments.
Cryptocurrency investment products ended last week in the green, marking 15 consecutive weeks of inflows, even as Bitcoin funds saw minor outflows. Global crypto ETPs recorded $1.9 billion of inflows during the trading week ending Friday. Gold fell to a near 3-week low as a US-European Union trade accord lifted the dollar and risk sentiment, while investors awaited fresh cues on rate policy from this week's Federal Reserve meeting. US stocks slipped after the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq edged up to fresh intraday records as investors assessed the US-EU trade pact and braced for a week of major market catalysts. The oil-dollar pair exploded 2.6% in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The pound-dollar pair dropped 0.6% in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair dove 1.3% in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The gold fell 0.4% against the dollar in the last trading session. According to the CCI, we are in an overbought market. The US API weekly crude oil stock will be released at 20:30 GMT. The US S&P Case-Shiller Home Price Indices at 13 GMT. The US Redbook Index at 12:55 GMT. Spain's retail sales will be released at 7 GMT. The Austrian Producer Price Index at 7 GMT. The Irish Consumer Confidence at 23:01 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's Market Outlook, and on behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.